Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Acer Aspire C24-963-UA91 all-in-one desktop. Click the link below for the best price. If you're looking for a sleek and space-saving desktop that delivers reliable performance for everyday tasks, the Acer Aspire C24-963-UA91 is a great choice. This all-in-one PC combines a stunning 23.8-inch Full HD display with a powerful 10th Gen Intel Core i3 processor, fast SSD storage, and wireless connectivity, making it perfect for home offices, students, and casual users. With its ultra-slim design, wireless keyboard and mouse, and Windows 10 Home pre-installed, this desktop offers a clutter-free and efficient computing experience. Starting with the display, the Aspire C24 features a vibrant 23.8-inch Full HD screen with a 1920 by 1080 resolution, delivering sharp visuals and crisp text. Whether you're streaming videos, browsing the web, or working on documents, the IPS panel ensures wide viewing angles and accurate colors. The ultra-thin bezels give it a modern and premium look, while also maximizing screen space for an immersive experience. If you're someone who enjoys watching movies, online learning, or working on creative projects, this display provides excellent clarity and detail. Under the hood, this all-in-one is powered by the 10th Gen Intel Core i3 1005G1 processor. With 2 cores and 4 threads, it offers smooth performance for everyday tasks like web browsing, word processing, video calls, and light multitasking. While it may not be designed for heavy gaming or demanding creative work, it's more than capable for standard home and office use. Combined with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, this system ensures responsive performance and allows for seamless multitasking, so you can switch between apps without slowdowns. One of the biggest advantages of the Aspire C24 is its 512 GB NVMe SSD. Compared to traditional hard drives, this SSD significantly improves boot times, file loading speeds, and overall system responsiveness. Whether you're opening large documents, launching applications, or transferring files, the SSD ensures a faster and more efficient computing experience. With 512 GB of storage, you also have plenty of space to store your files, photos, and videos without worrying about running out of room. Connectivity is another strong point of this all-in-one desktop. It features built-in 802.11 acres Wi-Fi 5, providing fast and stable wireless internet connections. Whether you're working from home, attending virtual meetings, or streaming content, the reliable Wi-Fi ensures a smooth experience. Additionally, Bluetooth support allows you to connect wireless peripherals like headphones, speakers, or additional devices with ease. For a truly wireless setup, the Aspire C24 comes with a wireless keyboard and mouse, adding to its sleek and clutter-free design. The keyboard is comfortable to type on, and the mouse is responsive, making them great additions for productivity. The system also includes multiple USB ports, an HDMI output for connecting an external monitor if needed, and an Ethernet port for wired internet connections. One of the best aspects of this all-in-one PC is its modern and minimalist design. The slim profile and compact form factor make it an excellent choice for small desks, dorm rooms, or home offices where space is limited. The clean look blends well with any setup, whether you're using it for work, school, or entertainment. On the software side, the Aspire C24 comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, giving you access to essential features, built-in security, and compatibility with a wide range of apps and programs. You can easily upgrade to Windows 11 if needed, ensuring your system stays up to date with the latest enhancements. Overall, the Acer Aspire C24-963-UA91 is a fantastic all-in-one desktop for those who want a reliable, space-saving, and stylish PC for everyday computing. With its Full HD display, Intel Core i3 processor, fast SSD storage, and wireless accessories, it's a great option for students, professionals, and home users looking for an efficient and modern desktop solution. Click the link below for the best price.